me hearties, and gather ye round, for the time be upon us. So for those of ye with adventuring spirits, prepare to be regaled by none other than the world-renowned and notorious scourge of the seven seas, Jack Sparrow!
There should be a captain in there somewhere, man.
Yes, sorry. Notorious scourge of the seven seas, Captain Jack Sparrow!
Oh, that's much more better. Oh, so you have heard of me? Well, so it's a pirate's life you claim to seek, is it? Well, I must say you don't strike me as the usual sort looking to join me crew, but well, who am I to judge those drawn to the dark profession of piracy? Now answer me this. Is it adventure you seek?
Aye!
Do you seek glory?
Aye!
Do you seek treasures beyond your wildest imagination?
Aye!
Well, it won't come easy. Savvy? It takes talent, skill, cunning, and very puffy sleeves. Now what say I put the whole lot of you to the test to see if you have what it takes. If you're with me, say aye.
Aye!
Well, that's what I like to hear. Crew, if you will. Now, pillaging, plundering is all well and good, but sailing is what truly takes hard work and a very specific set of skills. Now let's see if you all have the skills it requires. I want you all to raise your right arm. All of you, even the large ones. Yes, that's your starboard arm, all right? That's your starboard arm. Now put it down. Now I want you to raise your other arm, your left arm. That's your port side, all right? Left is port, right is starboard. Raise them all up, everyone. I can't see you. Very good. Now put it down. Now raise your starboard and your port arms together, all right? Now we're going to do a little exercise. All right, I want you to start pulling down with each hand like you're hoisting a sail on me ship, all right? All right, starboard, port, starboard. Come on. The sail's not going to hoist itself there, man. Go. Well, you got it. You got it. Very good. Stop. Now, I must say, I see some real potential here. You're tired there? There's my first mate, Swabby, everyone. Well done. You're tired there, Swabby. Now, I must say, on your journey to becoming a pirate, you might find yourself on the wrong side of an argument with, let's say, your captain, or perhaps members of your own crew. Yes, or in my specific circumstance, both. And in that environment, you might perhaps find the need to be trapped on, let's say, a deserted island with no ship and no crew and nothing to drink. Why is there never anything to drink? Yes, and should you need to be saved from said island, you might need to attract the attention of a nearby ship. Now, in order to do so, we're going to go back to those arms, all right? So to attract the attention of a nearby ship, I want you to wave both those arms in the air. Can you do that? Wave it. Look, that ship's not going to see you, all right? Now start jumping up and down. That's the only way the ship is going to see you. They still don't see us. So you're going to have to start screaming, lacking any sense of abandon whatsoever. Save me! Save me! Please, save me! Wait, I don't believe you. Oh, there you save me, please! Stop! Now, you know what my crew calls this motion? Jumping jacks. Yes, and now is the portion where I begin choosing members of my crew. Who would like to join Captain Jack Sparrow? Raise your hands, all of you. You right there, you are very impressive firsthand. Yes, I like that. I like all your tattoos. Those are very beautiful. Now, who else would like to join me? You, lad. Happy birthday there, Dawson. Come join me, my lad. Who else would like to join me? Would you like to join me there? Oh, that's wonderful. Oh, you're a little cowboy. Well done indeed. Cannonball, we're doing very good. Swabby, what do you think? Is that enough? Swabby thinks we should do one more. Oh, hi, how are you, darling? What is that? That one with the ears? Oh, no, the little one. Yes, you right there. Come on here. With the purple shirt. Well done, indeed. I know, I'll do some of these right now. So, right this way. A round of applause for our last lad here. Well done, indeed. Step forward. Cannonball, thank you. Now, let me get a good look at the four of you. Yes, you look just the sort I could count on in a scrape. Which leads me to my next subject matter, the delicate art of swordplay.
Wow.
Yes, indeed, yes, indeed. Now, for everyone's safety, mostly mine, we'll be using these practice swords, yes? Which you still all find very impressive, yes? Ooh. Indeed, and you out there, you will be participating as well, don't worry, all right? But you, lad, and all of you, you'll be using your ghost swords, all right? Now, can you all draw your ghost swords for me? Princess, can you draw your ghost sword? Very good. Now, can you all see your ghost swords? Of course you can't. They're ghost swords. They're invisible, mate, but they're still very dangerous. Crew, show them. Oh, yes, when swung about with no sense of spacing whatsoever, very dangerous. Yes, very good. Now, stop. That's disgusting. We can't have that. Everyone put away your ghost swords, all right? Well done, but you'll be participating along, and my 2 crew members will help you right here. Now, for this lot on stage here. Hello, how are you? Now, when fighting, you must remember, your best friend is always the element of surprise. Sorry about that, Swabby, which leads us to our first attack, where we'll all be learning. Step in, Swabby, join me, mate. Here we go. We'll all be striking to the right. Can everyone do that together, even out there? Strike to the right. Well done indeed, and fighting as a pirate. Remember, there's 2 very specific rules, all right? What a pirate can do, second move, strike to the left. And what a pirate can't do, thrust to the belly. Well done. Now, do you remember that? Let's go over the 3. Strike to the right, strike to the left, thrust to the belly. Now, when you're unable to defeat your opponent, like Swabby here, the only way to truly win is what I like to call self-preservation, or, in my case, distract and flee, all right? Distract and flee. Can we all do that together? Distract and flee. 1, 2, 3. Distract and flee. Oh, well done. I think you've done this before, lad. Now, very good. I'll demonstrate one more time on Swabby, and then we will all have a go. Are you ready? You look ready, lad. Here we go. Swabby, you ready? Strike to the right, strike to the left, thrust to the belly. Now on distract and flee. This is very important. I want you to point off into the horizon and shout something very confusing to Swabby, such as, look, it's the Kraken. Where? Then you flee. Yeah. Any questions? No? Good? Great. Now you out here, you have a very important job as well, okay? When someone up there, one of our crew members, successfully flees an attack, I want you to all raise your arms in the air, right? And you're going to wave them about, and you're going to scream, ah! Right? You're going to help with the distraction so they can flee. Do you got that, mate? Very well, good. He's got it. The orange ears has got it. All right, well done. Are we all ready? Crew member number 1, step forward. Round of applause. Hello there again. You look very tropical there. What is your name? JJ. JJ? Very good. Have you ever held a sword before? First time holding a sword? Yes, well, first time for everything, mate. All right. Do you remember the moves? Here we go. I'll talk you through it. Strike to the right. Strike to the left. Thrust to the belly. Now point over there and say, look, it's the Kraken. Now flee, flee. Well done indeed, JJ. I am very impressed, mate. Now, hello there, the birthday boy, Dawson. A round of applause again. Hello, Dawson. How old are you? 15, 18, 20, 36? 10. I never would have guessed. Round of applause. 10 years, huh? Dawson, I'll tell you what, I was 10 once as well. Now, do you remember the moves? So, let's see them, Dawson. The birthday boy, strike to the right, strike to the left, thrust to the belly. Now point over there and say, look, it's Davy Jones. Now flee, flee, flee. Well done indeed, a birthday flea. Dawson, I'm very impressed, mate. Happy birthday again. Well, hello there. We got a large one here. Hello, lad. What is your name? Oliver. Well, what a delicious accent you have, Oliver. Now, how old are you? 6, 7. How about that? I feel like there's a joke there, Oliver. Now, do you remember the moves, mate? You do? Yes, have you ever held a sword before? Have you ever fought a pirate before? You've never seen a pirate before? First time? Well, Swami. He's a good one to see for the first time. Here we go. Now step forward. Do you remember the moves? Strike to the right. Strike to the left. Thrust to the belly. Now point over there and say, look, it's Blackbeard. Now flee, 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 flee. Well done. 6, 7 indeed, young man. Now, crew member number 4, I must say. Very intimidating indeed. You see this face he's giving me here. What is your name, lad? Oliver. Another Oliver. This place is littered with Olivers. Now, Oliver, you, my friend, I'm very impressed. You will have the distinct honor of crossing blades with Captain Jack Sparrow. Ooh. Now, have you ever held a sword before? Yes, your stance is making me very nervous, Oliver. I feel like this is a dangerous man. The shirt is inside out and asks lots of questions, Oliver. I'm nervous. Do you remember the moves? Try not to chop my head off, all right, lad? Let's see the moves. Strike to the right. Strike to the left. Thrust to the belly. Barbosa, where? Oliver, you really had me going for a second there. I thought it was Hector. I'd go home a great dead. That would have been very awkward. Round of applause for a few crew members. Step forward, all of you. Well, I'm very impressed with all of you. Now look lively. I want you to look off into the horizon. You see that sail right there? Pretend you're on my ship, all right? Pretend you're future crew members of mine. And in the count of 3, I want you to raise your swords high and proudly and shout, yo-ho. 1, 2, 3. Well done indeed. That reminds me. Swabby, I think I have a few more roster spots for crew members out there. Is there anyone else who would like to join me up here? Anyone else? You, young lady. Who else would like to join me? Don't be shy. You don't have to be named Oliver. That's just a perk. All right? We accept non-Olivers as well. What is your name? What is it?
Saint.
Saint. I love it. Come this way, lad. The light-up necklace and everything. Is there anyone else who'd like to join? Hello, Flamingo Man. Oh, it's very tropical indeed. Hello. Come join us, lad. Come join us. Is there anyone else who'd like to join us up there? Oh, you right there, yes. We can never have enough cows here on the ship. That's what I like to say. We like cereal, we need the milk princess or royalty. Yeah, but the whole gang is here. Well done indeed, Swabby, if you will, yes. Now that you're all here, I guess there's only one thing left to do. Hello, lad. How are you, lad? Look off into the distance here. There's only one thing left to do. We're all going to take the sacred pirate oath. Would you like to do that? Yes, you could all join me. Everyone raise your right arms. That's your starboard arm, right? That was a test, lad. Starboard arm. And I want you to all just say, I pledge to abide by the pirate code. Say aye. Aye. I pledge soon and take my fair share of treasure. Say aye. Aye. If someone should insult my captain, I would poke them in the aye. I got you all there. Now, you solemnly swear to obey each and every order of your captain. Aye. Even when placed in mortal danger. Aye. Even when facing absolute certain death. Yes, I think I lost a few of them on that last one there. But regardless, I now pledge all of you honorary future crew members of Captain Jack Sparrow. Well done indeed. You have certainly all earned your treasure. But remember, treasure is more than silver and gold. So if you begin making your way down these steps, my crew would be happy to share some of my delicious bounty with all of you. Well done indeed. Very well done indeed. I'm very proud of you. Happy birthday, Dawson. Hello to my 14 Olivers. Hello. Well, tell your other Oliver friends, all right? Hello, how are you? You look adorable, princess. She has her own sword. She brought her own sword. Well done. Now, feel free to return to your families, and if you cannot find your family, feel free to find a better one.
Aye, that be good advice, Captain.
Well, what do we have here? I haven't seen you mates in quite some time. And now perhaps you could sing us one of your favorite sea shanties, all right? I think you know the one I'm thinking about.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, yes. Everyone.
Yo-ho, yo-ho, a pirate's life for me.
One more time.
Yo-ho, yo-ho, a pirate's life for me.
We pillage, we plunder, we rifle, we loot. Drink up, me heart is your home. We kidnap, we ravage, we don't give a who's. Drink up, me heart is your home. Everyone.
Yo-ho, yo-ho, a pirate's life for me. Yo-ho, yo-ho, a pirate's life for me.
We sword, we pilfer, we filch, we trap. Drink up, me heart is your home. Marauding and embezzle, we even hijack. Now the young pirates.
Yo-ho, yo-ho, a pirate's life for me.
Now the seasoned pirates.
Yo-ho, yo-ho, a pirate's life for me.
We're rascals, we're scoundrels, we're villains, we're knaves. Drink up, me heart is your home. We're devils, we're black sheep, we're really bad eggs. Drink up, me heart is your home.
Yo-ho, yo-ho, a pirate's life for me.
Big ending.
Yo-ho, yo-ho, a pirate's life for me.
Well done indeed. I'm very proud of all of you, and future crew, I want you to remember, when I need your help, I will certainly call on you. But until then, look, it's an undead monkey.
Where? Aye, where?
Works every time.
Where is the captain? Jack, we go. We have to go. That does not mean the Buccaneer bash be over. Aye, we will see you again momentarily, landlubbers. Enjoy the piratical antics to come. Yo-ho, yo-ho, a pirate's life for me.